Shall I see waiting England play this night? When I say Tuchel no get sense, Mr. Tuchel, you don't have sense, you don't have brain. See that match where you lose against Argentina, they pay me. If you just guarantee me, say I see you one-on-one, Mr. Tuchel. If I no use blue, bust your nose. No, it's not right, Mr. Thomas Tuchel. You are leading 1-0, you are packing the vendor in. I don't know, you keep them Saka, Watkins, what's this guy name that is playing for Arsenal? You kept them for third place, guys, to come and face France because you know you go third place. You don't have brain, sir. Sir, your brain is not fucking working. You are silly, sir. You kept them for third place. Yes, you have won third place. It's good. That's what you paid for. That's what you are managing for. You are fucking crazy, sir. Well, it's not fine. Thanks to Jude Bellingham. Jude Bellingham, you really tried. One of the greatest England player I ever see. When you walk up, you try Jude Bellingham. And to Saka, you welcome, bro. Thanks. Peace out. Don't play.